Yo, 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 what's going on? Your boy AMAR here, another video. So today's video is going to be, ladies and gentlemen, just give me 1 second here. It's going to be how to make rims look bigger. I repeat, how to make rims look bigger. Right off the bat here, we've got a set of 26-inch number 12 2 Crave rims. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? So we're going to get a little bit up close and personal with this wheel, as you can see. Look at that beautiful rim, 26-inch, black and machined. Okay, concave design. Now, AMAR, how can you make a rim look bigger for free? Very simple. Let's see if we can find an example here, somewhere in the shop, of a rim that what I'm trying to explain to you. Okay, I don't have one right now, but let's get down to the point here. Any rim that has the spokes to the outside, like this, for example, will make the rim look bigger. Now, this is a 26-inch rim, as you see. And to the untrained eye, someone may say, hey, buddy, you got a set of 28s on there. Or you could tell somebody and pass it off as being a set of 28-inch rims, because you know why they look humongous? Because the spokes go to the outside of the wheel. You know what I'm saying, ladies and gentlemen? Now, if you had a rim that's got a dish, like let's come over to something here roughly. Let's see what's cooking under here. Hold on a second there. So right off the bat, see how there's like a little dish right there? So what happens, this 17-inch rim may look smaller because it's got a lip. Where opposed to, you got a rim like this, which is a 26-incher, can pass off easily as a 28-incher. So for example, let's see, I think I got a set of 28s kicking here on the shelf. Let's go over here and have a look. Let's move this buggy out of the way, guys. Bear with me, sorry about this. Okay, look. Right there, we got a set of 28-inch rims right here. These are 28s, okay? Now to the untrained eye, they look smaller. These could pass off as 26s because they got a dish. But now going back to the caddy over here, these suckers here are 26-inch. So by having rims by buying a rim that has spokes to the outside and has no dish, you can get away by paying the same price for the rims, but also gaining 2 inches without even going upsizing. So 26s with the spokes to the outside look like 28s. So this is one exact way that you can make sure how to make your rims look big for free is by ordering rims that got no dish, baby. They go right to the outside. Always look for a machine rim because you can really see the definitions. And look for a rim that's got straight spokes and lines so you can really see that contrast, and it'll tell you right off the bat exactly what kind of rim you're getting. And that's one way how to make your vehicle's rims look bigger for free. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter. It's your boy AMAR. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Get on that social media. Start following me. Let's lock it in. 905-528-3500. Make your rims look big for free.